How to calculate GPA and CGPA. Firstly, what is GPA? GPA stands for Grade Point Average, and GPA is being calculated per semester. So for every semester, you can get your GPA. For CGPA stands for Cumulative Grade Point Average, and CGPA is being calculated with at least 2 semesters. So you can calculate CGPA using 2 semesters, using 3 semesters, using 4 semesters till you graduate. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to calculate your GPA and your CGPA. So firstly, we already have the courses, the credit unit. Every course has a credit unit assigned to it. We have the grade obtained, that is for you as the student, the grade which you obtained in these courses will be outlined here. Then we have what we call the quality points, which is multiplying the credit unit by the grading points. So let's assume we in this tutorial will be using 6 subjects or 6 courses rather to explain how to calculate CGPA and GPA. So in your own case, if you're offering 13 courses, 11 courses, you also apply them here and assign their appropriate credit units. So let's assume that the courses you are offering is JSS 101, Frame Maths 111, HLT 112, six, 2, and JSS. So let's assume that these are the courses you're offering. Now, and the credit unit here, let's say that the credit here is 2, the credit unit here is 3, here is 2, here is 4, here is 3, here is 1. Let's assume that these are the credit units that you are offering for all these courses. So you obtained the grade you obtained here. Let's assume you obtained B in this course, and here you obtained A. Here you obtained F. Here, let's say C. Here B, and A B C D. Just say here is E. I want to accommodate all the here is D. So let's assume that these are the grades you obtained. Now to get the quality point, before we can get the quality point, that's what is called grading point. The grading points each of all these grades that you got has what's called a grading point. And for Nigerian universities, we have that anybody that got A on a course, the grading point is 5. If you get B, the grading point is 4, C is 3, D is 2, E is 1, and F, if you fail the course, you have 0 as the grading point. So if you look at this, these students got all this here, meaning that the grading point here for B is 4, A is 5, F is 0, C is 3, D is 1, and F, okay, D is 2 rather, and E is 1. So with these grading points, we can obtain the quality points. We can obtain the quality points. So here, to obtain the quality point is same as the credit units times the grading point. The credit units times the grading point. So when you multiply these two to give you the quality point, here this person got B and the grading point is 4, meaning that the quality point is going to be 8. That is 2 times 4. Here we have 3 times 5, which is 15. Here we have 0. Here we have 12. Here we have 3 times this will give us 6. And here we have 1 times 1 will give us 1. So the next thing we'll do is to get the total, because our GPA is equal to the sum of the quality points divided by the sum of your credit units. The sum of this divided by the sum of this. That will give you your GPA for a particular semester. And that is equal to, here, when we add all this plus this 20, 35 plus this 41, 42. So we have 42 here. 2 plus this 5, 7, 11, 15. So we have 15 as the sum of all the credit units. So GPA is going to be the sum of the quality points, which is 42, divided by the sum of the credit units, which is 15. And when you divide that, you are going to have 2.8 or thereabouts. So what it means is that the GPA of this student for that particular semester is 2.8. That's what it means, that this person's GPA at a particular semester is 2.8. Now to get CGPA, like I said, CGPA is being calculated using with at least 2 semesters. Let's assume that in a particular semester, let's say first semester, this person, the quality point is 42, and the credit unit, the sum of all the credit units is 15. This is for first semester. And for second semester, the quality point is, let's say, 58, and the CU is 16. Now, the CGPA is going to be add all the quality points, like which is sum of all quality points, sum of all quality points all over the sum of all CUs, credit units, which is equal to 42 plus 58 all over 15 plus 16. That should give us 100 all over 31. And when you divide, it should give you something like 3.23 to two decimal place, because CGPA or GPA is being calculated at two decimal place. So that's how to get your GPA and your CGPA. So assuming that you also have 3 semesters here, assuming you have 3 semesters, you also add the 3 and divide by the number of CUs. Others can equally use the GPA for this semester plus the GPA for the second semester. When you add them, you divide by the total number of semesters. That is, if you add the GPA here, 2.8, plus the GPA here, which could be around 3.6, add them together and divide by the number of semesters, and that will give you your CGPA. So, if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime we upload a video like this, you will also be notified. Thank you and God bless.